Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to reset Siri voice recognition. Go to the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. It is usually found on your home screen. Scroll down and find Siri and search in the list of settings options. Tap on it to open Siri settings. In the Siri and search settings, look for the option labeled Siri voice recognition or voice recognition. Tap on it to access Siri's voice recognition settings. If you've already trained Siri to recognize your voice, you will see an option to reset your voice profile. Tap on Reset Siri Voice Profile or a similar option. Confirm the reset when prompted. This action will delete the existing voice profile data that Siri has learned about your voice. After resetting the voice profile, you can choose to retrain Siri to recognize your voice. This involves speaking various phrases and commands to help Siri improve its understanding of your voice. If you decide to retrain Siri, follow the on-screen instructions provided by Siri. You may be asked to say specific phrases or sentences to help Siri learn your voice again. Complete the voice training as instructed. Siri will use this new data to improve its accuracy in recognizing your voice. After retraining Siri or resetting the voice profile, test Siri by issuing voice commands or asking questions. Ensure that Siri is responding accurately and recognizing your voice effectively. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.